right here?
Yep.
This is fun. God.
What do you think?
Uh,
I know, it's hard for me to even pick one.
She's so cute.
Should I do a little bear? Should I?
Ooh,
You want to do something for Sunday?
no. Of course not.
Post Sunday.
Are you?
No.
I think I found what I'm gonna paint.
Which one?
This
Oh, that is so cute.
$16.
That is very cute.
Thank you.
I like that. You got a little coffee cup. What, espresso?
Yeah.
Okay, you set yours on the wherever you going. You want to leave it here until you fully decide?
Yeah.
Okay.
But that's number one option.
Okay. Okay.
Cupcake.
Oh, the cupcake is cute. I do like that.
Oh, I love that little strawberry thing that they painted back there.
Yeah. I love that cupcake.
Yeah. Oh, I wanted to pick a donut.
You can pick one of those. You can pick whatever you decide. You ready?
Yeah.
Choosing our colors. I got a butter dish. You got a saucer and a cup.
Yeah.
The color is gray, but when it's fired, it turns into that color.
So this is what.
Yeah, so I know, yeah, it's gray, but it'll come out that color.
I hope so.
Yeah, it will.
Okay. You got it?
Yeah.
Oh, ooh, I like that one. That's nice. You ready?
Yeah.
Come on, girl. Let's go.
Come on, guys.
You going?
Follow me.
All right. I love the color palette you chose.
Thank you.
That's really nice. That's cute, Callie. I like that. It matches very well.
Green. When it burns, it's gonna be like green.
Yeah.
That one?
Yeah. When it burns. Yeah.
Ooh, nice. Okay,
Slay.
you almost there.
Yeah. Can y'all believe this looking like orange, burnt orange, is actually green? It's crazy.
Wow.
I just gotta figure out how to grab it. Maybe I should just
What?
top. I'm gonna go like like around.
Oh, that'll be nice. Last little bit to go. Still enjoying yourself?
Of course. Big bag, big bag.
You did what?
It was a gnat and I drowned it
Wow, that's crazy.
in the paint water.
That is not cool.
It was buzzing around and annoying me. So I killed it.
I did good.
You sure?
My butter did. What else you got to do?
I just got it right.
Oh, that's it? Wow. Oh, that thing got dry quick.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
It'll be fine.
Yeah. Oh. Stay right there.
You might want to use the little paintbrush.
Okay.
Yeah, that's much better.
You should have just left it in pencil.
You just gotta go, when it start getting dry, you gotta go back in and get some more color.
Yeah. My hand is so shaky.
Yeah, I wouldn't go over your letters more than once.
Yeah.
Because you might turn it into somebody else's name.
We're sure we got it.
What?
A huge black dot.
Adds character. It'll be fine.
You think so?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Well, stop lifting it up like that with your other hand. That's pretty.
You do one more layer inside.
Okay. That's smart.
Yeah.
Very smart. Ready? We gotta come right here.
Huh?
It's like Gus's world famous fried chicken, so hopefully they be good. Open the door for us.
My lady.
Thank you.
World's famous fried chicken.
Yeah.
So excited. We'll let you know how it tastes. Die. What the? How y'all so big?
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Me too.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Enjoy, you guys.
Let me
These fries are bomb.
Right? Let's see what the mac tastes like. Cause I don't know.
Delish.
Tastes like mac and cheese for kids. Try to season one.
Delish. Hot. Whoa.
Now the chicken is fire.
Now it's a 7. It's a 7. For now.
That spicy fried chicken? You gonna try it?
Yeah. All right, let's see how it tastes. Don't burn yourself. Y'all, oh my god.
It's bussin', ain't it?
Bustin'.
Mega bussin'. It's juicy too.
Yeah.
Ooh, that juice popping, yo. That plate is toast. It's a bone graveyard right there.
Yep.
It's a bone graveyard. You steady tearing it. Oh my god. Wow. You like this.
Love it. 25 out of 10.
What?
Actually make that 45.
Well, what do you like about it?
Everything. They fried chicken.
I'm talking about what do you like about the fried chicken?
Oh, it's crispiness.
I like the spice on it.
And the way they cook
I
it.
like the juiciness.
Me too.
Girl.
Y'all like fried chicken?
Obviously you do.
Love it. I can't wait to smash that one.
Oh my god. You cleaning them bones. Wow. You cleaning that. That's crazy.
If it say I need a vacuum
That's
to back,
two of them.
Oh,
That's two of them right there.
if it say I need a vacuum to back up my chicken, I'll do it.
Wow. You love fried chicken, I guess.
Absolutely do.
Ain't nothing on there.
Take it.
Not one thing on there.
It was so crispy.
No. I ain't never seen nobody eat chicken like this before.
Except for me.
You definitely slide out your hand.
I know. Ow.
Uh-huh. Don't hurt yourself.
I could sniff out any chicken.
Who taught you how to eat chicken like that? Me?
Yeah. Oh my my daddy.
Oh, because I'm about to say, no, look at that's a bone graveyard.
I know.
That's crazy you ate all that up. How chicken?
Alright, y'all. We just finished demolishing some chicken at Gus Fried Chicken. World's famous. It's so good. Oh my god. Y'all should definitely go there next time.
Would you come back?
Of course.
There we go. It was so delish.
Yeah.
Look at all that grease on her mouth.
We going to go pick up our pottery.
Yes.
Which one is it?
Color me. Yeah, this one right here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
This is not it.
Oh, God.
Yeah, that's not it.
Yes, it is.
That's not.
Yes, it is.
No way.
Oh, that's not it. Oh, no, this is it. Okay. I thought... Girl. Go ahead. That is so pretty. They got their Valentine's Day stuff. Who? Oh, how cute. Very cute.
Oh my god. How do I even get to this thing?
Oh,
Oh my god.
oh,
Slap.
that is so cute.
Oh my god. I love it. Oh, I forgot to paint the bottom.
Come on, let me
Oh,
see.
come on. But how do I open this daggone thing? They don't wrap this bottom, but it's
Oh,
ooh, you like the green? This was burnt orange.
yeah, I do like that a lot.
Ooh, so
I love the, oh yeah, that's nice.
yummy.
Very
All
nice.
right, your turn.
Oh, I see the little tape. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. I did a great job.
I know.
Oh my god.
Show the camera.
Oh my my gosh. I did a great job.
Oh my god. I wish I would have painted a butter dish.
Let's see what this one looks like. Oh.
Oh my.
Oh, remember when I messed up?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, look, it came out. Look, it came out. You see
Yeah.
the words?
So green.
Yeah, I'm so happy.
I know.